Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you that how to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. If you're using WhatsApp and you're having this type issue that this account can no longer use WhatsApp, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. Basically this is the issue that your account it might be hacked or might be spammed or be reported. If someone have reported your account, so you will get this type issue. It means your account has been banned from WhatsApp. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. You just have to open your browser, and here you have to go for search and simply search for WhatsApp support. And here you have to give a review. So you have to select the contact WhatsApp, and here you just have to make a review or select this contact us option, and you will get open your Gmail from here. So you must have to select or enter your message here. Just enter your phone number, then email address, and here you have to select how do you use WhatsApp. You must have to select your iPhone or Android or web on desktop, and here you have to enter your message that which problem are you having, and once you have entered you must have to send this next step, and it will send this at your own Gmail. So after that you will get a confirmation Gmail from WhatsApp and your account will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix this account will no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.